Trump says fight will be official end of Iran. Turkish jets hit PKK terror targets in northern Iraq. Assad regime targets food sources in Syria's Idlib. Egypt blast injures 10 people in western Cairo. Iraqi forces nab Daesh commander in Mosul. Unity and dialogue key to overcoming hateful trends. Germany Muslim politician receives death threats. Turkey development of Bosnia's rural areas important. Sudan rulers and opposition plan more talks for governance. Sudan rulers arrest 15 over attack on protesters. Bangladeshi NY praises relations with Turkey. India concludes marathon election.